Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning, Sage here. Thanks for watching Kalkine TV. We have the ASX buzzing stocks for the day for you. And the Australian share market traded on a negative note. As of 28th November, 10:16 a.m. Sydney time, the S&P ASX200 was lower, dropping 0.25% to 7,241.60 after setting a new 100-day high, while the ASX All Ordinaries was also lower, dropping 0.22%. And meanwhile, the volatility index, the AVIX, was also lower today, dropping 0.87% to 12.02 and setting a new 50-day low. As of 10:34 a.m. Sydney time, all 11 sectors were lower today, along with the S&P ASX200 index. And although little changed, consumer discretionary is today's best performing sector. In today's opening trading session, the gainers were Perseus Mining up by 1.83% and Australian biotechnology company Imugene up by 1.39%. On the other hand, the decliners were Australian mineral explorer Liontown Resources down by 6.75% and the Australian retail bank Bank of Queensland down by 6.08%. Australian mineral explorer Jindalee Resources today announced that highly experienced lithium industry executive Paul Brown has joined the board of Jindalee as an independent non-executive director with effect from the 1st of December 2022. The company also announced that the executive director Lindsay Dudfield would assume the role of acting chief executive officer of Jindalee with effect from the completion of the spin-off and initial public offering of shares in Dynamic Metals, which will be the primary vehicle for the development of Jindalee's Australian assets. The company also added that Dudfield would serve in the capacity of CEO of Jindalee while the company seeks to appoint a permanent candidate to fill the role and lead Jindalee to the next stage of development of the McDermott Lithium project. Jindalee Resources shares traded at $2.23, being up by 2.76%. That was current at 10:42 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. And December is not far away at all. Very exciting that it is this week, coming up on Thursday. Next is Pilbara Minerals and Calix have executed a joint venture agreement for developing a demonstration plant at the Pilbara project to produce lithium salts via an innovative midstream value-added refining process utilising Calix's patented calcination technology, as well as for the potential commercialisation of the process. The midstream demonstration plant project aims to deliver a superior value-added lithium product, enabling lower product cost, reduced carbon energy intensity and reduced waste product logistics. Participating interests in the joint venture will be 55% Pilbara Minerals and 45% Calix, and Pilbara Minerals will manage the demonstration plant at the Pilbara project, overseeing both the construction and operational phases. Looking at the share price, Pilbara shares traded at $4.48, being up by 0.45%, current at 10:37 Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Okay, lastly, we've got an announcement from the Australian pharmaceutical company Probiotech today. They've announced that it has agreed on terms with the major Australian developer for a circa 30,000 square metre facility in Kemps Creek, New South Wales. The company said that once operational, the site will house most of Probiotech's current New South Wales pharmaceutical and FMCG packing businesses and deliver material, financial and operational benefits. The project's expected to deliver cost savings of between $3 to $5 million per annum from the 1st of January 2025. Before this, the company anticipated total cash outlays of $7 to $10 million due to the capital and operating expenditure required to prepare the site for consolidation. Thank you so much for joining us on this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day. Hope your day in trading goes well. Please do keep watching Kalkine TV for your market and business insights. And another episode will be coming your way soon. Sage signing off.